What if I told you that it's possible to turn just $20 into $100 in less than 5 minutes using a simple compounding strategy and AI-powered trading signals? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're going to put it to the test. No fake screenshots, no edited results, no demo account. Everything you see in this video is recorded on a real trading account, and every trade will be placed live. For this challenge, we'll be using Max Plus Bot, an AI trading assistant that's already trusted by 12,000 plus monthly users. The plan is simple. We'll start with just $20 and use a compounding strategy, meaning after every winning trade, we'll use the entire updated balance for the next trade. If the bot keeps delivering accurate signals, our account will grow step by step until we hopefully reach our target of $100. For every trade, I'll open the pocket option chart, take a fresh screenshot, upload it directly to Max Plus Bot, and wait for the AI to analyze the market. Once the analysis is complete, we'll follow the signal exactly as the bot provides it. No manual analysis, no indicators, no changing the signals. Just AI-powered analysis, strict compounding, and real trades. The big question is, can Max Plus Bot turn $20 into $100 in under 5 minutes? Let's find out. Let's start the challenge. For the first trade, I'll take a screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The screenshot has been uploaded. Max Plus Bot is analyzing the chart. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. Firstly, let's enter the trade amount of $20. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. A perfect start. Now let's move on to the second trade. I'll take another screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The screenshot has been uploaded. The bot is analyzing the market. The analysis is complete. Once again, Max Plus Bot is suggesting the sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. This time, we'll increase our trade amount to $38 and continue the compounding challenge. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. Another successful trade. Our balance has increased now. Now it's time for the final step. I'll take one more screenshot of the pocket option chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The screenshot has been uploaded. The bot is analyzing the market. The analysis is complete. Once again, Max Plus Bot is suggesting the sell trade with a 1-minute expiration time. We'll increase our trade amount to $72 and continue the compounding challenge. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. Another successful trade. Less than 2 minutes, we've turned $20 into $138 using only 3 successful compounding trades with Max Plus Bot. And that's the end of today's challenge. We started with just $20, and after only 3 compounding trades, we successfully grew the account to $138. What's even more impressive is that all 3 trades were winners. 3 trades, 3 wins. A 100% win rate in today's challenge. As you can see on the screen, here are the actual winning trade results and trading history from this session. Everything was recorded live, and these are the real results from today's challenge. If you'd like to try Max Plus Bot for yourself, getting access is simple. Just open Telegram and search for @TradeX Max Plus Bot. You'll also find the bot's access link in both the pinned comment and the video description, so you can get started in just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you can test the bot's AI analysis on your own charts and see how it performs for yourself. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we'll be uploading more real trading challenges, AI comparisons, and compounding videos very soon. Maybe next time we'll try turning $50 into $500, $100 into $1,000, or even attempt an even bigger compounding challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Good luck, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.